Review of RBL Bank, which has come up after 125% profit growth that moves the RBL Bank chariot. Was it so adamant down? Yes, it was. Let's look at its ranking and its performance. Coming to the rankings, earnings rank for RBL Bank is at 60.5. That is about 40% of companies from the list of stocks that we track. The list today is around 740 companies. 40% of companies of these 740 are better than RBL Bank on the profit growth. Coming to price rank, RBL ranks at 4.7. It's almost gone close to zero. So, not much damage that this stock can have from where it is now. If you plot the ranking chart, price rank chart, it does show some small improvement from 1.9 ranking in July. Stock has now closed at 4.7 ranking. Very good. 3 points up in 6 months. In between, it even managed to come close to 20. So at the right edge, there is something that is changing here. It's having an uptick, and that uptick is started showing significant numbers on the stock price. So that's why this image we have put, the bank has been trying all possible ways to bring a push to its earnings and the stock price. Let's look at the performance of the stock from the free fall that it had in early 2020 compared with NSE 500. If we see NSE 500 from the bottom that the stock market hit, it's recovered 87.1%. The same with RBL Bank, recovery is 129%. Fantastic. While this has come with a big fall also for RBL Bank. In the last 12 months, NSE 500 has made 16.48% gains, while RBL Bank has lost 33%. Nearly 300% underperformance against NSE 500. Coming to 1 month, the recent performance, how is it? NSE 500 has made 6.3% in 1 month. RBL Bank has made 2.37%. Fantastic recovery compared to what the stock had in its 1 year returns. From a negative 300% to 33% performance against the NSE 500. This itself is very good. That means in the recent past, there is something that is going good for the bank stock. Looking at the EBITDA growth, this is between the income and expenses. RBL Bank had a EBITDA growth of 35% in September 2018 quarterly, which slightly improved to 50 and afterwards started declining at a steady pace. In the recent quarter in September 20, RBL Bank has been growing at minus 1.5%. This is if the bank had made 100 rupees profit in its September 2019 quarterly. In September 20 quarter, it has made 98 rupees 50 paisa profit. 1 rupee 50 paisa down. That is 1.5% down compared to what it made in the last year. Coming to TTM, RBL Bank TTM EBITDA growth was at 25% in September 18. Again, same also went up close to 46 and after that had a steady decline at the right edge in September 2020. TTM EBITDA growth is 11.85%. Still positive. That is something good for the stock. If you compare the peer group, RBL ranks the lowest on both PRS and ERS ranking. We saw 4.7 on PRS and 60.5 on ERS. The best bank on earnings growth is Axis Bank, and the best on price growth is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra is ranking at 53.3 in the market today. Looking at the business growth, this is on net profits. RBL Bank sales, which had a small rise towards 2019, had declined, is coming close to zero now, little above zero. Margins have started showing some small declines while profit has taken a very big hit. This can be due to some bad loan books that the bank had been carrying, like Coffee Day was one of the cases which RBL had exposure. While at the right edge here, from June 2020 was the bottom for profit growth. After that, September 20 results, net profit growth has been positive. This is already started showing up on the stock price in the market. Coming to investors, the image which we put here, child which is not at all interested to do its studies, same way the banks investors are. Retail investors sold the stock in 2019. Afterwards, they started buying after the stock hit the bottom in March. While after that, the stock did not have a big move. It just held there for very long time, and now in December it is started moving up. Mutual funds started having exposure in 2019 and they sold off in 2020, probably made big losses. FIIs started accumulating in 2019. Major part of 2020 they had been holding on, so obviously they would have also been holding losses in the stock. So none of the investors have any kind of conviction in the stock. They are just showing non-interest. Coming to the charts, on the left side we have the monthly chart, which is clearly showing the depth that the stock took when COVID drop came. At the end of 2019 it had a drop, after that a small recovery, and after that during COVID days stock takes a very big hit, and that shows that bear strength is even higher compared to what it had in 2019. So from their recovery, actually it did show small signs of recovery and stayed lazy for a very long time. The deep penetration that it had took time to get out. It takes a long consolidation of about 8 months, then gets into a new bullish trend at the right edge. This is post the September quarterly result and the TTM performance that the bank had. Stock has started turning up. It is having an extended bullish pattern, which is again anytime money making opportunity in the stock. Whenever the stock comes to value zones, it is a blind buy, and we will have very fast money making opportunities in stocks that have this extended bullish patterns. So more gains are likely to be seen from RBL Bank in the coming days. Coming to the weekly chart, when monthly had depth, weekly showed a different kind of pattern. When March lows were hit at the time, weekly charts gave a clear indication that bulls are showing signs of weakness. Bears are showing signs of weakness and bulls are getting slightly stronger, and that's what pushed the stock up in May, June. After that, it held a range for nearly 6 months and then started going up. Now, as we are talking, RBL Bank is gaining momentum in the market. So all the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. What can be the future for RBL? Looks like with the pattern that the stock has developed, it will continue to keep going higher and higher with small increments. It will test patience while have a small exposure and enjoy the ride. There is potential for making some profits from the stock. Make your decisions and judgment. Get to know the risks about the stock before making a decision to buy. Thank you.